Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Sentry mode on your Tesla in just 2 minutes, guys. Step one, guys, you want to insert a USB drive, guys, okay? You want to insert a USB drive, and if your Tesla was made after 2020, guys, you want to check your glove box, okay? There's usually a pre-formatted drive in there. If not, just plug in your own USB drive and then just go to Controls and click on Format USB Drive. Your Tesla will take care of the rest, guys. Okay, so next step, with the USB drive plugged in, guys, you want to go to Controls, Safety, and then Dash Cam, and you want to make sure that your Dash Cam is enabled. Sentry mode will not work without it, guys. Okay, next step, guys, you want to enable Sentry mode by going to Controls and then Sentry mode and turning it on. Okay, the icon will turn red like this to show that it is active. So want to keep it quiet when the alarm goes off, you can go to Controls, go to Safety, and then click on Disable Sentry Sounds, and it will just notify you through the app and save you footage without blaring any alarms. Okay, guys? So finally, if you want to turn Sentry Mode off for more than just one drive cycle, you can head back to Controls and then click on Safety, and then just click on Sentry Mode and just switch it off, guys. It will turn white like this. Is no longer gonna be red. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.